This is Nicole Lee with Health, Beauty, and More. And I have made a lot of my own skincare products, my own with natural ingredients. And I have a variety of things that I've made, and I can go over some of them. Today, for example, I bought the Piping Rock has this shea butter, and what I did was I mixed it with some other ingredients and melted some beeswax so it'd be nice and thick, and that way it's the consistency of a nice sturdy body cream like shea butter is. And it still has lots of olive oil in there, which is really good for you internally and externally. So I used extra virgin olive oil as the main oil. I added almond oil. Sometimes I add vitamin E, but this one was almond oil and the extra virgin olive oil as the two main oils. And then as far as essential oils, I like to put in there some lavender and about equal parts of lavender and melaleuca, which is a word for that is tea tree oil. And you just have to find the right consistency and get the right amount of shea butter in these products until you get it the way you want it. And so that's what goes into that one. And the pain cream, or what I call a relief salve, is one that I did myself also. And it as well is, it's hard enough to where it's not going to fall out or anything, and it looks like it's supposed to, the consistency of what I wanted. So I will read to you what I put in there, and you can see the list here. And it has in it some comfrey root. It's the oil of the comfrey root. It also has essential oils, and as well as essential oils, I added vitamin E into this one. Beeswax as well, which is kind of a hardener, and that has to be melted in a crock pot till you get the right consistency of that. So that's another thing. And these other ones, these two over here are what I call lip balm. Okay, the lip balm has a lot of the same ingredients. In addition to that, I add something like peppermint oil, which is an essential oil, and it gives your lips that kind of a sting, so that it moistens them, keeps them moist and plump. And I add cayenne pepper to it. Some people have tried other things like cinnamon and other types of peppers, but I get that coloration because of that, and like turmeric. Have you ever heard of that? Turmeric or turmeric, curcumin. You add that in there, and that gives it that slight orangey color. And the other ingredients are pretty much the same as what we were talking about earlier, and it's got the right consistency as well. So that's what these are. This is the lip one. This is another one that hasn't been used. I just opened it to show you what it's like right after it settles and hardens, because it's going to be melty when you first pour it in there. And these lip balms can actually be used on your skin or your lips, but they're a little bit more for the lips as far as enhancement. It's good for that. If you put a lot of tea tree oil and cayenne pepper, then it's more for the lips. But if you put a small amount of cayenne pepper, then you have something equally good for your skin. And there's a small little sample that I do for people, and I give them to people a lot of times as a bonus gift if I sell something, or just because I feel like giving them away. And this is one that's nice that you can handle in your purse. It's small enough you can carry with you and use it to moisten your lips. So that's that, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and maybe you can try making some of these homemade ingredients for your skin, your lips. And I don't have any makeup on at all, but you can see a little bit of moisture on the face. Thanks for watching, Nicole Lee. Bye-bye.